Welcome back to NoSaltBP, your channel if you have diabetes, congestive heart failure, or high blood pressure. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's all NoSaltBP. And today we're going to do a very simple, basic breakfast. This breakfast contains 13 grams of carbohydrates, and I also have protein. In the description bar, you will see both the protein, carbohydrate, and sodium count. So let's get started, shall we? Here I have some plain Greek yogurt, some honey, pomegranate with the pomegranate juice, and hard-boiled eggs. So now we're going to begin to construct this dish. This is breakfast. Here is the yogurt. You can also take it like this on the go and have it at work for a quick pick-me-up, but we're going to start it in here. This is the yogurt. Plain Greek. We will add some pomegranate seeds and juice. Pour in a little bit of the pomegranate juice, like so. Next, 2 teaspoons of honey. This is 100% pure honey. And we're going to just drizzle it. That is your 2 teaspoons of honey. Next, we have hard-boiled eggs. And I want to pop the yogurt out if you're concerned about your carbohydrate counts. And your cholesterol, specifically cholesterol, pop the yolk out. And if you have no problem with cholesterol, you can keep the yolks in. Let's add a little bit of black pepper. And if you were wondering, I am NoSaltBP. That's our black pepper. This is our plain yogurt, pomegranate seeds, pomegranate juice, and honey with Greek yogurt. I thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. I realized you had many choices and channels to receive your nutritional information. However, here at NoSaltBP, we do it without the salt and we count carbohydrates. I will see you in the next one. Bye.